Start writing here. Letter first of all. You can understand that letter is very easy way to writing in the Microsoft Word. Select it. I firstly I write letter, and on the right side I selected font and font size. You can understand. Congratulations, my dear friend. You can choose any font in the um, software you want to choose that with any size. There are many fonts size and font colors and font size and font type and designs. See there how I'm writing here. To Muhammad Umar. Are you understanding? If you have any question, you can ask from in the comment section. I will clear and tell you many ways of any doubt from related to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, so on. Last I learned you, I am happy to hear that you successfully topped in your board examination. I do not have word to express how happy I am with this news. I am writing this letter to convey my heartiest congratulations and best wishes. You so I saw your result which left my heart related to know that you scored this distinction in every subject. I was pleased to sing that you secured with 100% marks mathematics. You must have practiced hard to achieve this success and is indeed is a matter of pride of family members, relatives and friends. Congratulations to you for such a splendid achievement. I was always aware that you could surely do something like this. You that indeed proof of your hard distinction, distance, concentrations and sacrifices. I always been impressed with your dedication in learning and better understanding approach. This indeed is a moment of grand celebration. Congratulations once again. I hope that you achieve the most significant success in everything you want. You are sincerely Nazir Abbas Niazi. Thanks for watching this video. In the next step, I will be making colorful and brightness and artificial text. I will text here colorful. Okay, I will color the some main parts of the text. I will select main parts of the word. So my dear viewer, this was the important and knowledgeable video for you. If you like this, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, you can understand that every notification from this channel from subscribe and like and share this video will approximately will reach here. Okay, so see you in the next video. Let's control s and save this in the document bar.